Gotta rip this shit, man. You don't fuck with us, man? We're down. You feel me? This OD, I'm dropping lyrics straight up off the top. Me and Wes, we do our thing and we won't never ever stop. We started from the bottom, always around when the beat would drop. My lyrics hot, his lyrics hot. Lyrics sick, they'll never flop. I'm sick, twisted, shit written, split twisted, quit burning so high that I can't see the surface. But I'm learning that I can't be nervous when I'm spitting all this shit, this hard shit, this flame shit, and we go hard up in this bitch. I ain't lied to you before, and I ain't done a thing wrong. Ain't my fault I fucked that hoe with that skirt off. Ain't my fault I licked that hoe with her legs open. Ain't my fault I did it cause I made that pussy soaking. I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a motherfucking boss. In the law, I will cross cause I'm heavy in this game. And your girl, I will haul till she's screaming out my name. And her pussy, I will toss till it's fat the next day. I'm a beast, eh? Listen to my words with curiosity. She bossing me around, you know how much that pussy costing me. I ain't even tripping though, she ain't even tripping, yo. Smoking on that fluff, oh, waiting till her body float. She way up in the air, she ain't been up bed too long. Her body moves like she don't care, I bet that pussy super long. I ain't even tripping, but I fuck her with that super long. Oh shit, that's OD Productions, man. Yeah. You ain't down if you ain't down with us, player. I'm out.